Hello lovelies, it's your girl Amanda, also known as Mrs. Archiver, and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of the 8th through the 14th. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. Okay, lovelies, I am here with you another week, and in this theme, we're going to be doing coffee. You know, your girl has to do a little twist on things to make it a little interesting. And by the way, if you've been here before, you're probably like, where are you? Let me tell you, I'm still at my house. I'm just at a different part of the house, and I thought that I would just kind of change things up a little bit with the lighting. So if this works out better, I don't know, maybe I will do some more videos like this. So this is actually the sticker sheet that I will be using today. This is from stickyclub.com, and I just love how it's got these, like, it's coffee, but it has like a little dark sense of humor. And I'm going to be using those as my main stickers. And then of course, I'm going to be matching, you know, with the browns in here. So I have some bills due, I have this one, and then I have some browns in this kit. Now we're gonna start the lining portion. And if you notice, I have these as some tools. And I will probably end up changing it up, but I think I'm gonna use just mainly stickers this time. So we're gonna go ahead and start the lining portion. And I'm using a jelly roll, and as per usual, items will be in the description below of the items that I will be using today. And if it is not listed, that means I couldn't find it. But if you find it, let me know. If it's not listed below. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of line all of this. And this is when I kind of talk a little bit about my life. So what is going on? I need to redo this hair. It is already growing out, so I need to move it up. But I didn't want to like take it out and then be like, okay, well, what happened to the hair? You just had it for like 2 weeks and that's it. But I do have to move it up. So I have some things in the works. I can't give out too much information, but I'm really excited of some new things that will be happening that I can bring to this channel. And by the way, cannot thank y'all enough for y'all's love and support that y'all show for me in this channel. Oh, I got some exciting news. What was I almost forgot. Like, I almost forgot and wasn't gonna tell you. I can now go live on my Instagram. Yay. So apparently I'm no longer grounded and I can now go live. And I did a little quick live just to kind of jump on, get my feet wet again, because it has been a good minute since I have gone live. And let me tell you, it was nice to chit chat with some of y'all that I have not talked to in a while or seen. So that was really nice. Right now, I've asked some people on my stories, my Instagram stories. Again, if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should. I do a lot of like things on there. And I've asked like what days would be good, because I can't go live on YouTube just yet. I have to have 1,000 subscribers, and I'm a little more than halfway there. So thank you for the love and subscribing, because when you subscribe and I get 1,000 followers, I'll be able to go live on here also. So in case you don't go on Instagram and you're like, I only do YouTube, well, you gotta subscribe and be a part of the family, so that way I can get to 1,000 and I can start going live on here too. Ooh, there we go. And that was like some exciting news that I was like, oh my God. I was really excited because I had been testing it out like just randomly. Like I'd wake up and I'd be in bed, literally in bed. And I would be like, oh, let me just test it out. Let me just see. if it works. And I was trying like off and on, and it would be like, nope, you can't. I'm like, oh, well, it is what it is. But I didn't give up. I kept trying. And then that day came. I was like, wait, I can go live. And then somebody had jumped on and they're like, hey, I can confirm you're live right now. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. And then I was like, sorry, I have to run, but I gotta go. I gotta run. So I ended up like running off, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And then I did a surprise live of just a quick little unboxing of like one item. And that's when I was able to like chat with y'all and was super excited. What else? Spending time with some family, spend time with my niece. That was super nice. It was a nice change of pace. My niece wanted to spend time with me, and I was like, yes, of course. And so that was nice. Well, where am I? There I am. Let me go this way. Hello, August. I usually do a like hello, August on my Instagram, you know, like a little post, and I didn't do it. I didn't do it this time. I mean, it's never too late. I mean, I could. Wow, that was like really dark. I didn't know it was gonna be that dark, but it's okay. I'll just keep rolling with it. It's fine. So what else? Do I want to put anything else? Oh yeah, I gotta put finances at the top. Was I gonna put one of these? Bills due? No. Oh, that's cute. No, let me just do this. So I'll use this one. I need a background. There we go. Some kind of background. And I like this one. Or like on this side. Like it's dripping coffee. Yes. Oh no. Oh shoot. I couldn't see if I was like fully on the page or not. Oh, I was. I was like, am I? No, but I'm a little crooked. But you know what? It's dripping, so it's fine. It's fine. Let me open this a little more. I'm losing light. No. There we go. I have some more light now. Okay. Here we go. And, oh, apparently it was still wet. No. What else, guys? What else? I'm gonna put this down here. I didn't have any like brown washi. I was like, do I have any brown washi or something? And I didn't. And I'm working with what I have. Wow, why do I keep like going really like off? Amanda, use your tweezers. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Get it together. Because I'm like in a different area, so I'm like, I don't know. Should I have been? I'm like overthinking things now. I'm like, oh my gosh. Amanda, get it together. I want some pink in here though, because I'm just like that. I have to have some pink of some kind. And then I will, let's see. I was going through my stickers and I was like, oh, hey, I have to like do this and do that. Might as well use these. Do a little, oh, you know what? I can use the pink icons because that'll tie in more of the pink. Trash day. Or recycling. We can do recycling. So I put a line here because on this one, I decided I'm gonna put like appointments and such on the side. And time blocking and this like things to do or journaling. So I'm gonna kind of change it up just a little bit. My car payment is gonna be due. Do I have any other appointments? Oh, I am watching the show. So I want to make sure I catch up at least by. So I'm watching this show called Paper Girls. It's been pretty good so far. I really do like that. I want to use these. So I'm going to do, will do. There we go. So I can write that in. Do, 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 do. What else do I want to put? I need to make some like weather. Like that just say weather on there. Reminders, appointments, birthday. My sister's birthday is on the 11th. Happy birthday to her. They'll be coming soon. Priority to buy, big plans. Let me put, I have some big plans on Sunday. And let's see, my fur baby is like right here and she's just like, hey mom, what you doing? Okay. I'm gonna do weather because I like keeping up with the weather. So I'm gonna do that in this corner. Let's get this one. Oh, you know what? This can be top 3. Top 3 of things to do. My hubby was just trying to call me and I'm like, no, I'm trying to film. Like, he doesn't know, like right now. He doesn't know. I'm gonna like lighten that up a bit. I'm like, he doesn't know, it's not his fault, guys. I like this one. But I should have tore that off and I didn't. Now I don't know what to do. Make it work. Okay. Don't think too much into it, Amanda, like I always do. I think that looks cool. And this looks so good. Put that there. Bitter. I just think the bitter is funny. Loves me not. These are like little shavings. Use that as a background. It's like pouring coffee everywhere. Let me save that one. And let me use this one. Oh, I just covered a lot of that. Really, Amanda? Get it together. Okay, we'll put some more, like on the side. Yeah, like a little trail. Let's do a little trail of like chocolates. And a little bit of bitter chocolate. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Little pieces of chocolate, like, or coffee and chocolate. Kind of go in. That. That's cute. Let's see, what else? Okay, that other part should be dry by now. And I haven't used one like this in a while. So top 3. There we go. Let's do a to-do, like a major to-do here. Put priority, top 3. Maybe some more chocolate? Should have just called this a chocolate theme instead. I got like some like coffee looking stuff, but like not really. Oh well, don't hate me. At least it's something, right? This was like the quickest spread with the stickers. Like, I feel like I should like put something else. You know what? This one, this, if it fits, it sticks. Weekends, we could put a weekend banner. And does the weekend really start on Friday or Saturday? I don't know. Wow, I'm like really overthinking this, aren't I? Life decisions, right? Does the weekend start on Friday or does it start on Saturday? I'm gonna say it starts on Friday. You know what? Just gonna go with it. There. Life decisions, man. Life decisions. Don't know. I feel like this is so messy. I'm gonna cover it up. I feel like it's like way too messy. Look at me. I'm just correcting my stuff is all I'm doing. Because originally I was gonna use this one for finance anyway. So let me just do that. There. That looks better. And it kind of ties in more with this like top 3 situation going on, because I feel like, okay, that's like the only handwritten like thing right now. So it makes, to me, it makes a little bit more sense, you know. That's like, it's super quick and easy and simple. I mean, the stickers are done. It's done. Okay. I think that's, yeah, that's gonna do it. Not a very long video at all, but hey, it got to the point and it was a little life update and a little change of scenery. I hope that you liked. Next week's theme, I do want to do a black and white minimal theme, like black, white, and gray with like maybe some ink or something. I don't know. I have like a vision. I had a vision with this, and then this is what happened. You know, sometimes not all spreads are going to be like glamorous and everything every time. I am only human, okay? I am only human. I don't know why you guys put up with me and you come back every week, but I totally love you and I appreciate you. So if you liked this video, don't forget to like and comment below so that way other people can find my videos. And if you really loved it and you want to be a part of the community, then go ahead and hit subscribe and the bell notification so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And until then, until next time, have a wonderful day.